Hello guys, I'm Techno Adviser. Today in this video I'm going to show you top 5 best mirrorless camera 2023. So no more delay, let's start the video. The cameras are ranking by randomly. Number 1. Panasonic LUMIX S5 IIX, brand Panasonic, model name Panasonic LUMIX S5 M200 full-frame mirrorless camera with 20 to 60mm f3.5-5.6L mount, interchangeable lens. Panasonic LUMIX S5 M200 full-frame mirrorless camera with 20 to 60mm f3.5-5.6L mount, interchangeable lens. Maximum webcam image resolution 24.2MP, photo sensor size full frame, 35mm, image stabilization digital, max shutter speed 1/8000 seconds, min shutter speed 60 seconds. Exposure control type aperture priority, auto, manual, program, shutter priority, form factor mirrorless, effective still resolution 24.2MP. About this item, key upgrades to a compact hybrid powerhouse, phase hybrid autofocus, active IS, and unlimited video and streaming, with 24.2MP 35mm full-frame CMOS sensor for high resolution, natural description, and approximately 2x higher speed signal processing. Customer review of this camera. Love the PDAF, lens, build quality, and ease of use. If anyone says it's an expensive camera as compared to other market brands, I would say there are a lot of whiners who will bitch no matter what. Human-made things can never be perfect, as just stop griping and whining about this product. I gotta say, things will keep changing and improvements of all sorts will keep coming. Number 2. Panasonic LUMIX S5, brand Panasonic, model name Panasonic LUMIX S5, photo sensor size full frame, 35mm, image stabilization sensor shift, min shutter speed 1/8000 seconds, metering description center weighted average, highlight weighted, multi-zone, multiple, spot, exposure control type manual, form factor mirrorless, effective still resolution 24.2MP. About this item, a lightweight, powerful hybrid camera for vibrant still photography and cinematic video. Realize your creative vision with extraordinary 4K 60p, 10-bit video, FHD 180 frames per second slow motion option, as well as 4:3 anamorphic support. Customer review of this camera. This is my first ever camera I've ever purchased, and so far this camera has been an amazing experience from the first week of owning it. Number 3. Sony Alpha A7 IIKE mount, brand Sony, model name Sony Alpha A7 II, maximum webcam image resolution 24.7MP, photo sensor size APS-C, image stabilization sensor shift, max shutter speed 1/8000 seconds, min shutter speed 30 seconds, metering description multi, center weighted, spot. About this item, world's first 5-axis in-body image stabilization in a full-frame camera. Use your favorite lenses without blur from camera shake, high 50 megabits per second bit rate ZAVC S21 format recording of full HD movies, capture stunning images with full frame, 24.3MP resolution. Lens compensation, peripheral shading, chromatic aberration, distortion. Customer review of this camera. Sold as acceptable by Amazon warehouse. Looked brand spanking new upon arrival, just the packaging was generic. Mine had less than 200 shutter actuations, which is practically new. Great camera. It is small. It is light. Now I am looking for the A7 IIR, but I want another Amazon warehouse deal. Number 4. Canon EOS M200, brand Canon, model name Canon EOS M200 EFM 15 to 45mm ISSTM kit, black. Maximum webcam image resolution 5MP, photo sensor size APS-C, image stabilization optical, max shutter speed 30 seconds, min shutter speed January 400 seconds, metering description center weighted average, evaluative, partial, spot, exposure control type manual, form factor mirrorless. About this item, fast and accurate dual pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF, high image quality with 24.1 megapixel CMOS, APS-C, sensor, 4K video and 4K time-lapse movie along with vertical video. Customer review of this camera. I'm an amateur photographer and so far I love this camera. I'm still learning all of its features, but so far I am more than thrilled. I'm even taking a class on photography to learn more. Number 5. Panasonic LUMIX G95D, brand Panasonic, model name DC G95DMK, maximum webcam image resolution 20.3 MP, photo sensor size full frame, 35mm, image stabilization sensor shift, max shutter speed 1/16,000 seconds, min shutter speed 1/16,000 seconds. About this item, focus on your creativity, perfect for photographers who are ready to excel. The LUMIX G95M has a superb, powerful 20.3 MP digital LUMIX sensor and advanced technologies for both photo and video, features for maximum expression. Live view composite mode lets you compose a single image out of many, adjust focus after shooting, develop, and retouch inside this photography camera. Customer review of this camera. Love the product, takes great pictures, and good value at that price. So far, very happy with it. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you want to buy these camera, then check my description and comment box for buying links. Also you can use my links for seeing more details about those camera. No more today. Best wishes for you.